In today's video, I'm going to be going through a full start to finish walkthrough tutorial on how to use the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. Now, I'm going to be covering everything from the initial registration of an account to deposits of cryptocurrency onto the exchange. I'll also cover how to buy, sell, and interact with the multiple trading interfaces available, and then finally how to withdraw your funds from the exchange when you're finished. Now, before we get into that, I want to go through some background information on Binance as a company itself to give you some context on the exchange that I'm going to be showing you today in this video. So, Binance is a world-class blockchain company comprised of one of the world's top and most liquid cryptocurrency and digital asset exchanges, the Binance Exchange. Now, currently there are over 3 million registered users on the exchange spread out over 180 countries worldwide, and that number is growing rapidly each day. The exchange was launched in July 2017, and as of making this video is consistently positioned within the top 5 and even top 3 cryptocurrency exchanges worldwide in 24-hour trading volume. The exchange is able to sustain 1.4 million orders per second, as well as 20 million concurrent users. Customer service is also a priority and is available 24/7 for users of the exchange. Binance has also issued its own token, BNB, short for Binance Coin, which can be used to pay for trading fees on the exchange at a discount rate of 50% to the regular trading fee rate, which I will discuss later in this video. So that's it for the background information component of this video, and let's get started on the actual tutorial component. So to begin, you'll need to head to Binance.com. That is the website URL for the exchange itself. You need to click on register in the top right of the screen, go through the prompts, enter your email address, create a password for yourself, and you also have the option to enter a referral ID if you would like to. Now, this step is an optional step, although if you find this tutorial useful, of course, you do have the option to use my referral ID, which I will leave in the description and comments section of this video, and please let me know if you do use my ID, because I'd love to thank you personally for that. So after you've registered your account, you will need to verify your email address. So you need to go to your email inbox, find your message from Binance, follow the prompts, click on the link in that email, and then you'll be able to log in and access your exchange account and dashboard. So now that you've created an account, it's time to deposit some cryptocurrency onto the exchange so that you can begin trading. Now, the first step in making a deposit is heading to the Funds tab at the top of the screen and clicking into Deposits and Withdrawals. From the Deposits and Withdrawals screen, you can select the cryptocurrency that you wish to deposit. The easiest way to find that would be through the search bar at the top. Now, I'm just going to search for Bitcoin because this will probably be the most common deposit type. Once you see Bitcoin show up in your search results, you can simply click on the deposit button and a BTC deposit address will be generated for you. Now, of course, you can deposit any other cryptocurrency that you like that is available on Binance. Just search for that currency, and in the same fashion, you'll be able to find a deposit address for that currency. So once you've got your deposit address, you can simply copy that address to your clipboard or scan the QR code and send your Bitcoin to your Binance exchange address. Now, please keep in mind that Binance is a cryptocurrency only exchange, meaning that you cannot use any fiat currencies like the US dollar or the euro to purchase cryptocurrency. Once you've successfully sent Bitcoin to the exchange, you can track its progress in the history section by clicking into the history page within the Funds tab at the top of the screen. Here you'll be able to see the progress of your deposit and even track the transaction and monitor confirmations by clicking on the check button on the right hand side. Now, it may take some time for your funds to arrive into your exchange wallet, but once they do, you're ready to start trading. So let's get into the trading component of this video. So again, from the home screen, first of all, you'll need to pick which market you want to trade in. Now, Binance has many options to choose from, as you can see at the top of the screen, the most common being Bitcoin markets, but you also have the ability to trade in Ethereum, USDT, Tether, and Binance Coin markets. For this video, I'm going to stick to Bitcoin. So for example, we'll pick the BNB, Binance Coin BTC market. What this means is that we'll have the ability to buy and sell Binance Coin for Bitcoin and vice versa. So if you just click onto the BNB BTC market, it will take us to the basic trading interface. Now, there's a lot to take in here if you haven't seen anything like this before, but I'll go through everything right now and explain every aspect of this basic trading interface. So on the left-hand side, you have what's called the order book. Now, this is where all the current buy and sell or bid and ask prices are for the BNB coin expressed in terms of Bitcoin. Now, at the top, you can toggle the order book options to show all the bids, all the asks, or both, and in the middle, you'll see the current market price. Now, along the top of the screen from left to right, you'll see last price, 24-hour change in Bitcoin and in percentage, 24-hour high, 24-hour low, and 24-hour volume. Now in the middle of the screen you'll see the price chart for the BNB coin, complete with a full display of what are called candlesticks, which indicate upward and downward movement in price. You'll also see some moving average lines crossing over the screen, and also volume and a MACD technical indicators. Now volume shows the amount of buying and selling happening in this particular market, the BNB Bitcoin market, and MACD is more of a technical advanced indicator which you can look up if you're interested. Now you can also toggle what's called the market depth chart, which will show you a visual representation of all of the current orders on the order book. Now what this represents is the price for BNB coin along the bottom or the x-axis, and the amount of BNB coin available to be bought or sold at a particular price on the vertical or the y-axis. So I'll just give you a quick example of what this actually looks like. So as you can see, I can drag my cursor onto the market depth screen here, and for example, if I wanted to sell at, let's say, a price of 63,000 sats, I would be able to sell around about 11,600 Binance coin. Now, on the other hand, if I wanted to buy, let's say I wanted to purchase at a price of 66,000, I'll be able to buy around about 43,000 Binance coins. So that's how it works, and it can be very useful to use the market depth when you're placing your orders on the book. Now on the right side of the screen you'll see a display of all of the markets on the exchange. You can toggle between the Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT and Binance coin markets, and you can also toggle between percentage change and 24-hour volume as well. At the bottom right you'll see the market trade history by default, and you can also toggle that to display your personal trade history as well. Now finally, in the middle and at the bottom of the screen you will see boxes for buying and selling the BNB coin. Now this is where you can set either a market limit or stop limit order to buy or sell the BNB coin. Now market orders are the most basic orders that will fill at the current market price, or in other words, the best price available when you place your order. And the most complex is the stop limit order, which will place a limit order on the book once your stop price has been reached. For more information on the stop limit order, I have made a video explaining the order types in detail and with examples. You also have conveniently the choice to simply buy or sell 25, 50, 75 or 100% of your stack with a single click. So just to summarize there, you can either buy or sell the BNB coin using the corresponding buy or sell sections, and also if you scroll down you can see your current open orders and your 24-hour order history. Perfect, so now that we've gone through the different parts of the trading interface, I want to quickly show you what's called the advanced trading interface, which can be accessed through the exchange tab at the top of the screen and by clicking on advanced. So here in the advanced tab, this is actually one of my favorite parts of using the Binance exchange. You'll see basically the same setup as I've just showed you, but it looks, in my opinion, a lot nicer, and it's also a more comprehensive trading screen if you are a little bit more advanced in your trading. It allows you to add your own personal tools and indicators to the trading chart on the screen. For example, you can add all sorts of different trend lines and technical indicators such as the MACD and the relative strength index, just to name a few. You can also customize the colors of the candles on the screen, and overall you can just personalize the trading screen to really suit your individual preferences. So that's what I really like about using the advanced interface. Now that's really it for how to trade on the exchange. Now I'm going to take you through how to withdraw your funds from the exchange to an external wallet. So again, from the home screen, we need to navigate to the Funds tab and into the Deposits and Withdrawal section. And again, we'll search for the coin that we want to withdraw. I'm going to go ahead and do Bitcoin again, just for simplicity's sake. And again, we'll click onto the, as you can imagine, Withdraw button, and you'll be able to specify your external wallet address and the amount you would like to withdraw. And then you can submit that withdrawal request. From there, just like depositing onto the exchange, you can track the progress of your withdrawal in the history page. So that's really it for the tutorial component of this video. I've showed you how to create an account, I've showed you how to deposit cryptocurrency into the exchange, how to trade, how to use both the basic and the advanced interface, and how to withdraw your funds at the end. Now for the rest of this video, I'm going to cover some bonus features of the Binance exchange that in my opinion really differentiate Binance from other popular cryptocurrency exchanges, and are personally some of my main reasons and favorite parts of using the Binance exchange. So first of all, number one, you have the opportunity to use the BNB coin as payment for your trading fees, which gives you access to a 50% discount to the normal 0.1% fee. So that means that by using the BNB coin to pay for your fees, you'll only have to pay a 0.05 trading fee on all of your trades. Now, you can make sure that you're taking advantage of this discount by going to your account dashboard and making sure that the using BNB to pay for fees section is on. Now for the second bonus point, it is a short one, but it's an amazing perk of using the exchange. Now Binance will often run trading competitions with incredible prizes up for grabs. For example, you can see that currently there's a competition being run in cooperation with the Monaco project, and the top trader will receive a 2018 Lamborghini Huracan. Now another great feature of the exchange is the referral program. This entitles you to a 50% commission of referred account trading fees. So to access your referral ID and begin inviting people to the exchange, just click on the referral program link at the top of the exchange homepage and you'll be able to see your unique ID code, which you can share with others, or you can send the provided QR code. Now Binance also has an incredible mobile app for both Android and iOS users, and in my opinion it is the best cryptocurrency exchange mobile app that is currently available on the market and enables you to trade on the go, keep up with prices on the exchange, all with the tap of a button. So as you can see, you can go through the different markets, you can go through your personal trades, you can look at the market depth, you can look at an overview of your current funds, and you can also look at your account details and referral ID standing. Now finally, Binance also has a fantastic desktop client which you can download from the Binance Exchange website, install on your computer and open to trade without going into your web browser. Now this is something that I have not seen from any other online cryptocurrency exchange, and I'm really happy to have this on my computer because the client itself is extremely intuitive, it's easy to use, it looks fantastic as well, it's similar to the advanced trading interface, and it allows you, most importantly, to completely focus on trading without being distracted by other tabs and notifications when you're online. So really that's it for this video. To recap, I've covered from start to finish how to use the exchange and also some of the great bonus features and differentiators that Binance offers to its users. I'd like to say a massive thank you to the team at Binance for providing such a world-class cryptocurrency exchange platform, and I really do wish you all the best in the future as the crypto space continues to grow and your user base continues to grow as well. That's it. Thank you very much for watching if you've made it to the end of this video. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.